back with a bang. New launch product from NY Bae. It is their lip and cheek tint. Want to see the full review on all the shades, swatches on my lips? If yes, continue watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now y'all must be aware I have already reviewed Blue Heaven and Range lip and cheek tints. In that video, when NY Bae launched a new launch product, again lip and cheek tint, I got a lot of DMs as well as lot of comments to review all 5 shades. And as you all know, your request is my command. I'm here to review as well as swatch all the lip swatches. Like I'll show you all the lip swatches, that is all the swatches on my lips, all 5 shades. Now without blabbering or something, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. First, I just want to make a small disclaimer. If at all you feel I am a little bit tired, or maybe a little bit my speech is not proper or not on the point as like my normal speech is, then I'm extremely sorry. My son's exams are going on. As you all know, being a parent, son's exam or maybe your child's exam is your exam. So same situation is with me also. So if at all you feel that way, then I'm extremely sorry. But I had to do this video anyhow, as I have promised you to show you all the new launches, most probably as far as I can do. Right now, let's begin with the outer packaging. The outer packaging of this particular product is this kind of, it is a pink packaging, all four sides pink. On the top front side it says NY Bae lip and cheek tint. On the second side it says manufacturing, that is when it is manufactured, expiry, the MRP and the net content. The net content in this you are going to get is 2.6 ml. I have my notes over here, as well as over here also it is written, but it is in very tiny font, so I have notes, my notes over here. It contains 2.6 ml. The manufacturing is February 22. Yes, it is just manufactured and it is good till 7/24. So 22 half, you can say almost 10 months, 23 and of there, so almost you can say 2.5 years you are going to get the shelf life. The MRP of this particular product is 225 rupees, but as you all know, on Purple, this particular brand NY Bae, this lip and cheek tint, right now it's exclusively available on Purple, and they have lots and lots of good sales. Sometimes they have buy one get one free, sometimes they have 35-40% off. So during sale times you can go ahead and you can buy this, right? And this is made in India product. This is basically the manufacturing and all that details. On the third side it says how to use. They just say first shake well before use. You have to just shake the bottle very well. Then you can use this use the applicator to put the product to put the lip and cheek tint either on your cheeks or on your lips, and you just have to blend with your fingertips. Right now in this total video I have only shown you the lip swatches. I have not applied on my cheeks because nowadays I am not into like liquid blushes, or maybe you can say lip cheek tints. So that is why I have not shown you. If at all you want, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll make a small reel kind of, and I can show you on the Instagram. Not in over here, I have not done that. Right, and on the fourth side they just tell you 5 key features, or maybe you can say 5 important points of this particular product. It is 2-in-1 tint, long lasting, pop vibrant color, smudge proof and hydrating. That is what is basically the outer packaging. Now before moving ahead with the inner packaging, I'll just show you. This is one of the shade, which shade and all I'll tell you during the video itself. This is one of the shade, and I have not like done anything, not applied any top coat or anything. This is just a shade, and this is my hand. Over here I have the swatches, so this is my hand. I'll just show you whether it is transferring or no. Since this is a darker shade, it is transferring a teeny tiny bit, but I have already checked with the lighter shades. Lighter shades are not at all transferring, and even in fact even this also you cannot say it is transferring. Yes, a little, maybe you can say 0.3% something it is transferring, not much. And like once you are like doing after 2-3 smacks or something, then I don't think it will transfer. So this is one point. Now we'll move towards the inner packaging. Before moving ahead with the inner packaging, I would just like to show you like the outer box. The pink box comes in this kind of plastic foil. I've just kept to show you. Like it comes with this kind of a plastic wrapping so that you will come to know that the product is intact, it is not being used. Now we'll come to the inner packaging. Inner packaging is this kind of frosted, not exactly total frosted, a little bit frosted plastic or transparent tube with the shade name mentioned on the bottom with the shade number. It says 01 Baby Daisies and it says 2.6 ml. It says the quantity as well. The manufacturing and expiry, nothing is mentioned on the tube. So if at all you want to throw away this packaging, make a tag. If at all you want, you can write it over here and you can throw away this packaging comfortably. It is a rose gold cap, you can see. And this kind of cap I have seen in Lakme 925 lipstick range. I have seen this kind of cap in that because they have rose gold packaging. So this is kind of, the cap is similar, not the bottle, not the tube. Okay, and on the tube it says NY Bae lip and cheek tint. That's it. And on the bottom, as I told you, it says the shade name. Right now in this you are going to get total 5 shades. I'll just give you the 5 shades name. First one is Baby Daisies. Second one is Pink Rose. Third one is Poppy Tulip. Fourth one Red Dahlia. And fifth one Maroon Lily. Now I'll tell you the shade which I'm having on my lips is shade number 5, Maroon Lily. This is what the shade I'm having right now on my lips. You can see this. Now what we will do is we will just move towards the swatches of this all lip tints. Now before moving ahead with the final thoughts, I'll just show you the hand swatches. This is shade number 1 and this all are single swipe, only one swipe. This is shade number 1, then shade number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right, these are the hand swatches. Right, now if you like, I'll tell you my final thoughts. Shade number 1 is patchy for me. That is, one second, what is the name? Baby Daisies. Yeah, Baby Daisies. It is patchy for me. After applying almost 3 layers, still I could see my lips. Whatever color it can be. I'm not saying my lips are totally not pigmented, not much, but then whatever, I can see through my lips. And while applying also, as I told you, it is patchy. So shade number 1, I am not very much fond of. Right, and it is too light also. You all must have seen already in the demo. Shade number 2 is quite good. It is pigmented but not up to that extent, but it is good, quite good while applying. And you can see over here the swatch also, it is good. This is the single swipe and this is pigmented. Like after removing, like this one was very easy to remove. I had not to struggle while removing this, but while removing this I had to struggle little bit. That is not exactly, I do not have to apply concealer or something to just make it neutral or something. I do not have to do that, but this is pigmented. You just have to use waterproof makeup remover and then it will go. It will not leave a tint behind like the other lip and cheek tints do. This will not leave a great tint, or maybe you can say teeny tinsy it will leave, not much. Then shade number 3 and 4, they are good, they are very good, but somehow shade number 3, it looks orange, and of course the shade is Poppy Tulip. It looks quite good, okay sort of pigmentation. Shade number 4, like when you increase, like in the ascending order if you go, they have the pigmentation as like that way. Comparing shade number 2 and 3, I felt shade number 2 has more pigmentation than shade number 3. That's what I believe. That is completely my way of thinking. Even you can think, if at all you have both the shades and your thinking is different, then of course I respect your thinking, but I feel shade number 2 is more pigmented than shade number 3. Shade number 4 is quite good. It's very good pigmented, Red Dahlia, and it looks very very good on the lips, but not that pigmented compared to this one. This rest 4 shades are not that pigmented, right? And this is the shade number 5. Of course, you can see I love this shade and it looks so pretty. It looks very pretty, and this is without any lip liner, so you can see it is little bit coming out. Like maybe it is my mistake while applying, but that's okay. So while applying, you just have to be little careful because this is little watery in texture, of course, since it is a tint. Now we'll talk about the fragrance. It has a fragrance, but what kind of fragrance I cannot make out, but it has a fragrance. But the fragrance doesn't linger for longer time. It just fades away. Once you apply, it fades away. And this has a tingling sensation. This doesn't give you any kind of pouty effect, like I cannot see any kind of pouty effect, but while applying, I could feel tingling sensation, and that was little bit higher compared to other lip and cheek tint. This was a little bit higher, the tingling sensation, right? Now basically I have tried to cover each and every point, but still if you have any other query, any other questions, you can let me know in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram also. If at all you are not following me over there, you are missing something, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because I upload the content over there which I cannot upload over here. So maybe you can get something more, right? So you can follow me over there. And if at all you want me to compare Blue Heaven lip and cheek tint as well as NY Bae lip and cheek tint, let me know in the comment section. I have both the ranges, all the shades, so I'll be very happily making a comparison video of all the shades, like how you want it. You want maybe like one side Blue Heaven, one side NY Bae, but that you cannot do because the shades are totally different and you already have seen the swatches. But still, if you want, I can make a video comparing all the other points like content, MRP and all that, if you want, if at all you all want. Yeah, I have covered everything. Anything, let me know. And if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel. And once again, if at all I have fumbled somewhere or I have made any mistake somewhere, please excuse me for that. I have already told you the reason. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.